Hey, good morning. If you think about moving to Colorado or living in the Colorado Springs area, man, today is a great time to get some good information about some new build homes built by Campbell Homes. We're here at Meridian Ranch, which is a really nice, well-defined subdivision, a little bit, probably about 10 miles east of Colorado Springs. We're going to show you today a walkthrough tour of a model home, a beautiful home. It's called the Kipling Plan. This Kipling Plan is 3,176 square feet. It is 4-bedroom, could be from 3 to 5 bedroom. This is 4-bedroom, 3-bath, 3-car garage, and this home would be priced in the, probably I'd say the low 6s. Base price is in the high 5s. You add the lot premium, you add some of your upgrades and choices and so forth, it'd be in the low 6s. Beautiful home. Looking forward to showing it to you. We're once again Meridian Ranch, just east of Colorado Springs. I'm Gary Jordan with the Jordan Property Group. We specialize in all things real estate, but especially new construction homes. So if you think about new construction homes, we have the information for you, ways to help you buy at the best price, get the biggest buyer incentive, and save tens of thousands of dollars. Before we do this tour of this Kipling Plan, I'd like to remind you, if you'd like this information sent to you on a regular basis of other quick move-in new construction homes, be sure and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That way we'll send you a video or two probably once a week with a full video tour of what's available in this area. Okay, let's go inside and take a look. Have a really nice covered front porch. Everybody enjoys the front porch, the early morning coffee. When you first come in, off to your right, very convenient, is your laundry room. To your left is an office area and a half bath powder room. And you walk into a really nice open floor plan, beautiful wood flooring of your living room, gourmet kitchen, nice stone countertops, and a really nice attractive nook area for your meals. Stainless steel appliances, gas grill, hooded vent is really set up very, very nicely. Take a look outside also this backyard and a covered patio. Okay, this is a rancher and a high demand rancher. We're gonna walk over here to your master bedroom. I want to show you also, this is kind of cool. Check out the fireplace here. That's a double-sided fireplace. Have access to it and the flames from both the outside patio as well as the inside family room. Pretty cool idea. Enter a master bedroom. Very attractive master bedroom, large 9-foot ceilings, access off the bedroom to your backyard and the covered patio. And you got an area back here that's really cool too of open space behind the house, give you some privacy. Walk into our 5-piece master bath. It's a 4-piece master bath with a really large shower, toilet room, walk-in closet, stone counters. Very nice. Let's go downstairs to the basement area now. You like lots of space for your family or for your man cave, Saturday or Sunday football and so forth, man, you're in the right spot right now. Cool place. Got the card table set up for your buddies. You have a really nice wet bar. Excuse me, the card table's over here. We got all kind of game areas here, but real nice bar. There's like granite counters. Back here, some bedrooms. To my left here would be a full bath. Bedroom, to the bedroom. Just a great, very, very usable, basement area. In this Meridian Ranch area, I mentioned to you also the fact that there's some nice amenities here. Have a really nice rec center, workout facility. It's a large indoor pool. They have a golf course here in this Meridian Ranch. So you have access to some great amenities besides just tens and tens of miles of hiking, walking, and biking trails. It's a very, very well established, very popular community. I'd say it's 15 minutes from Colorado Springs, probably no more than 15, 20 minutes to the Air Force, Peterson Air Force Base. So it's a great location. Amenities are all right here. Great value. If you have interest in a home like this, be sure to reach out to me. My direct line for voice or text, 719-502-7176. So keep in mind, if you plan on buying in the next month, 3 months from now, or even a year from now, that's okay. Let's start communicating, put together a plan for you, help you find exactly what you're looking for, where you want it to be, and when you want to move in ASAP. I appreciate you watching this video. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, and hopefully we'll see you again next week. Thank you.